Worried about who's watching your bank account? Worried face. It's a fair question. In a world full of digital transactions, understanding your bank's privacy and data protection policies isn't just good practice, it's essential. Today, we're diving into the core principles of how Regions Bank works to protect your personal and financial information. HR. The Regions Bank Privacy Pledge, a commitment to security. Regions Bank, like all major financial institutions, operates under strict federal and state laws regarding your data. They summarize their approach in the Regions Privacy Pledge, which centers on keeping your trust and confidence. So, what does that look like in practice? 1. Data collection. What information is used? Regions collects information that is necessary to provide you with financial services. This can include your social security number and income, account balances and transaction history, payment history and credit history. They gather this data when you open an account, apply for a loan, or use your cards. They may also get information from third parties like credit bureaus. HR. Protecting your information, the security measures. Regions Bank uses a multi-layered approach to keep this sensitive data safe. Physical and digital safeguards. They employ security measures that comply with federal law, including computer safeguards and secured files, secured buildings to protect physical records. Online, they use encryption, the little locked padlock icon you see in your browser, to scramble your information during a private session, making it unreadable to outsiders. Multi-factor authentication, MFA. To verify your identity when you log in, Regions utilizes MFA, such as one-time codes sent to your phone or email. If the system detects an unusual login pattern or a new device, you'll likely face this challenge, which is a major deterrent for unauthorized access. HR. Sharing your data, your right to choose. This is where your rights as a customer become very important. Financial companies have rules about how they can share your personal information. Regions policy outlines several scenarios. What they can share, and you can't limit. Regions must share your information for everyday business purposes like processing transactions, responding to court orders and legal investigations, reporting to credit bureaus. This is non-negotiable under federal law. What you can limit. You have the power to limit certain types of sharing. You can choose to opt out of affiliates using your creditworthiness information for their everyday business purposes. Affiliates marketing to you. Non-affiliates marketing to you. Regions policy states they do not share personal information with non-affiliates for marketing anyway, but the opt-out is there as an extra layer of protection. You can typically exercise these rights by calling or visiting a branch, which is a key way to keep control over who hears from your bank. HR. What you can do. Ultimately, security is a partnership. Regions provides the tools, but you need to do your part. Protect your login credentials. Never share your username, password, or security questions. Log out of online banking sessions, especially on public computers. Monitor your accounts regularly for suspicious activity. Regions Bank is committed to protecting your financial life with security